Hi, so this is a list that I've compiled for our workshop that we would be doing. The first thing that I would start out with is providing a definitive definition of digital literacy for the teachers, because it's really important to have that basic understanding of what digital literacy is and how it will have an impact on how they teach. The second thing that I would cover in the workshop would be how, as students, technology plays a major role in just their generation, because technology is incorporated to how they live their lives with smartphones, and that's just how they learn nowadays. The third thing that I would cover would be usage of technology as a teacher. So this would include how to incorporate the usage of technology in the classroom and just really explain a lot of the resources that they have as a teacher that can be used to better fit their students in the growing age of technology. The fourth thing that I would cover is plagiarism in the classroom, which is a growing concern with the amount of information that's publicly available online, and it's so easy for students to just copy and paste nowadays. I would suggest that they stay on top of that and really encourage their students to put their own ideas into their work and not just rely on other sources. The fifth thing that I would cover in the workshop would be the relevancy of the technology that they could use to the 4Cs: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. Having a basic understanding how they fit together will really help enhance the learning that they can give to their students and really provide an environment where learning is really promoted. One of the final things that I would really do to close up the workshop would be just like a full circle kind of thing, where they could kind of come up with their own ideas and really try to use the technology, maybe brainstorm some ideas that they could have, and really just put some ideas out there. So this workshop would just be a great way to have an enhancement of the technology and having teachers really understand how it can effectively work in their classroom.